Okay, so you have your home and it's appearing on Google Earth or Google Maps. You want to get rid of it, not too difficult. All you need to do is punch in your address. So we're just going to find an arbitrary address here, kind of give you an idea. Here's some of these neighborhoods are blocked from entry, which is kind of cool. So they're already done. So if you happen to live in this section of Valencia or whatever city, you're unable to get to the neighborhood, that's fine. But let's go ahead and just jump down here and find a home if in fact it's listed and you want to get it off of Google Maps or showing up on Google Earth. Very simple. Let's just run in here real quick. And let's say it's this one. Let's say this happens to be your house. So you get it up here on Google Earth, Google Maps. You go down here in the bottom right and you click report a problem. Then it's going to pop up and it's going to say, okay, is this your address? And then you're going to choose what area of the home you want blurred out. And from a tactical standpoint, this is probably isn't bad because they can go on here and see how to get in and maybe where exits are, windows are located, that sort of thing. So a lot of people are doing this. My LAPD background kind of brings this to the surface. And then what you do is then you'll basically just fill out the information here, and they will end up basically contacting you at some point and just verifying a couple things. So that's one way to do it, and actually the simplest way to do it. So just click on find your house here, click on report a problem, and then go fill out the page. That's it. I'm Connor with Honor, Santa Clarita, openhouses.com. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.